Today, we're tackling a real head-scratcher. You might think you know the planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, the usual suspects. But beyond Neptune, things get a little strange.
With our modern telescopes, we've discovered a multitude of asteroids that behave very differently to what we previously expected.
Have you ever heard of the Kuiper Belt? It's a giant ring of icy objects left over from the formation of our solar system. Think of it like a junkyard, filled with leftover rocks and frozen space ice. Here's the weird part. A bunch of these icy objects are all clumped together in a very unusual way, almost like someone lined them up just like bowling pins. Scientists have been scratching their heads for years, trying to figure out what's causing this strange grouping.
Their orbits aren't clustered, and that's why many astronomers today believe there must be a mysterious ninth planet out there that's behind this.
Finding several extreme KBOs on orbits pointed in the same direction was a hint that something was going on. That's where things get interesting. Two separate groups of researchers calculated that only a large, very distant planet could keep these icy objects bunched up, and that's how the theory of Planet 9 was born. Its gravity, they say, could be the reason these icy objects are all bunched up.
It turns out that you'd need a planet that has roughly 5 to 15 Earth masses.
Planet 9 is theorized to be 5 to 10 times as massive as Earth. There have been several published predictions for its location in the solar system, but none of the search teams have yet discovered it. After more than 4 years of searching, there is still only indirect evidence in favor of Planet 9. However, there's another interesting theory of a dark monster, a black hole with gravity so strong it could be pulling on these icy objects, causing them to clump together. It sounds crazy, but some astronomers believe there could be some ancient black holes left over from the birth of the universe, hiding out in the far corners of our solar system.
I think a Neptune-sized planet would be a much simpler explanation than a tiny black hole.
The good news is, we might be on the verge of finding out the truth, because a powerful new telescope called the Vera Rubin Observatory, currently under construction in Chile. Its first light expected in January 2025. This telescope is specifically designed to see faint, distant objects, which means it could be the key to finally spotting Planet 9 or even the faint glow of a black hole, a giant planet hidden in the darkness, or a tiny black hole pulling the strings. It's a mystery waiting to be solved. So, what do you think is out there causing this weird grouping? Is it Planet 9, a black hole, or maybe the Milky Way galaxy itself messing with us? Stick around as we solve this mystery and hopefully find the answer before those cosmic bowling pins come crashing down. In the meantime, let us know your theories in the comments below.
There are clearly still disturbances among the outer planets that we can't really explain because of this. There's always been this idea of there being another planet out there,